Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are down in San Francisco at the ferry terminal and Ferry Building. Gonna do a walkthrough of this ferry building, check it out. Perfect day today, I think it's 70 degrees. And we're just on our second to last day of being here, so let's go get into it. Family's already inside, but this building here, we're actually at a family member's wedding at the ferry terminal gate B that it took off from yesterday, departed from. And this building was really cool. We wanted to come back and check it out. Lots of shops everywhere, lots of food, so I guess a lot of food options. Pretty crowded. So it's a Sunday today. All sorts of stuff to check out in here. The smells are delicious in here. Everything looks good. Did you get something already? What'd you get? What'd you get?
A crumble.
Is that Ube?
Cookie. Ube.
No way. Where'd you find Ube?
You wanna try it?
Yeah, I want to try it.
There you go.
Is it real Ube?
Yeah. I don't know. I think so. You wanna try it? See if it's good.
It's not bad.
Taste it.
Dude, they have a lot of good looking food. Ooh, look at this cheddar almond scone. What do you guys think? You like it? You good? So I think, Julia, I was looking at it, this is like all farmers market food and type stuff.
Yeah.
There's a lot of stuff in here.
What?
I could really go for a good coffee.
Oh, they have hamburg here. They have dumplings, Aliyah. They got the dumplings. Here, put it here.
Ate or mommy or daddy will eat it then, Ricky.
Yes, I'm sorry, I'm as out of
So there's nothing on the second floor, right? I don't think so. Okay, yeah, no.
Yes. Oh, cheers, cheers. Oh, cheers.
Nice looking wine bar.
This one is cheesecake stuff.
Ooh, that chocolate cheesecake looks good. Milk. Do they have like miniature cheesecakes? Ooh. Traditional black and white. Yum.
On gold, Jake.
Are you rich, Drake? You gonna take us out for dinner tonight? What is this? Blended whiskey finished California. Oh, the wine casks. Hey, Julie, I'm just gonna walk out the gate B and then along the water line, the waterfront. Oh, that's cool. Tells you when the ferries are departing. The old school. That's cool. All right. I'll walk out here and then walk the water line. Empanadas. Oh man, everything smells good in here. So we stopped by I think it was Red Bay Coffee yesterday before the wedding, and we tried to get mochas, and the gal was like, we're no longer serving mochas, and we close in 4 minutes, so you only have these options of pre-made things. And I don't think I've ever experienced that. I was like, oh, you're a coffee shop, and even though you're still open, you're not serving coffee. All right. It was a little strange. So far, I haven't gotten to experience much of the coffee here. We're definitely going to be checking out some stuff in here.
It is not too hot.
So, coffee failed, but we ended up getting ice cream. Looks like there's a barbecue place. Ended up getting ice cream from this Gott's soft serve. It was chocolate. It wasn't bad. It was nothing to get excited about, but it was better than our experience with the coffee shop, or lack of good experience with the coffee shop. So, pretty cool building. Alright, so we're going to walk along the waterfront here. And, yes, this is where my cousin's wedding departed from last night. Good time. Got to see a lot of family. Definitely good weather today. Yesterday was pretty foggy. Had a little bit of mist, a little bit of rain. But today's looking pretty nice. Forward to San Francisco. Alright. We're going to check out the Golden Gate Bridge tomorrow. That is not the Golden Gate Bridge. Still a cool looking bridge though. We went to Alcatraz the first night we were here. We'll be having a video of that for sure. That was a bucket list experience for me, so I'm pretty excited we got to do that. Yeah. It's absolutely beautiful. Reminds me a lot of home in Seattle. These birds are very much used to people. You can get real close to them. They don't care. Last time I was in San Francisco, I was a little bit older than my daughter, so it's kind of cool to come here with her at this age. I don't know when we'll come back again, but definitely something we'd be open to. We're here for 4 days, and there's definitely more we'd like to see and do. We rented a car, and we've been riding the cable cars, and so we have all sorts of access to things, but we just haven't had enough time to see everything we wanted to see. So Golden Gate Bridge tomorrow, Alcatraz, hitting up the Fisherman Wharf, and the ferry terminal. Got a small amount of time in Chinatown, which was cool, so I have a video of that as well. Found a good Chinese restaurant that was recommended to us. I think it was RNG. I'll have to look it up for sure, but I think it was RNG restaurant, and it was kind of cool. You go down these stairs. The restaurant's actually in a basement. Pretty good food. It was recommended by one of the shop owners. We're like, all right, let's try it. Go in there, and it's mostly Chinese people in there, which is always a good sign that you're getting good, authentic Chinese. It's definitely delicious. All right, well, that about does it for the ferry terminal and ferry building. So I hope you liked it. Till next time, keep swarm. We'll talk soon. Take care, guys.